So today I want to show you guys, I just woke up, my hair, my system, it's a mess. When we wake up, you can see the lines here. So this system I'm wearing here today is the LaVivid. So today I want to show you guys how I fix this, because you guys notice when you buy the system comes with a beautiful hair and everything is so shine and so like fluffy and so perfect. And after the first time you wash, everything changed. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how I try to make as much as possible like in the beginning. I just applied the system last week and I washed like 2 or 3 times already. So I'm gonna show you guys, today is Friday, so how I get ready for the weekend. Let's go. So I just took my shower. You're gonna need a hair dryer. I usually use in warm so I don't burn the system. So another thing you should use in your system before you blow it, you have to use some kind of protection. So I use this one here. Usually I spray all around my head and then I blow my hair, or I use this one. I really like this product too. The product you have to have is this one. I show you guys before in other videos. This product is everything. So you have to have this product to be able to let your system look like new again. And another thing is a brush like this, because this makes your hair like don't stuck so much and you don't lose like much hair during the time you're brushing and everything. First, I'm gonna apply the protection and then I'm gonna blow. Basically, you have to dry your hair for all the directions. First, I start like bringing the hair all to one side, make sure everything is dry. And then I go to the other side and I go to the back and I go to the front. So the hair is basically done, but I'm gonna use this product. My hand, I just put like a little bit like this, it's enough. And then I just mix and I use this like a little bit all around the hair. And I'm gonna show you guys how shiny my hair it's gonna be when I finish. So this is the result. I wanna show you guys the quality of hair. After brushing and putting products, everything came out really good, really natural. But tomorrow I think it's gonna be more natural. So yeah, this is my LaVivid product review. So I hope you guys has enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Have a good one.